Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Cat Mittens is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for pet owners struggling with destructive scratching, offering a humane and effective way to protect furniture, carpets, and even your own skin from the natural, yet sometimes inconvenient, behavior of our feline companions. These soft, fabric coverings are designed to be safely applied to your cat's paws, preventing their claws from causing damage while still allowing them to engage in normal activities like climbing and playing, ensuring your beloved pet remains comfortable and happy without compromising your home's integrity. Number 5. Cat Scratch Furniture Protector Tape, 18-pack. Tired of your cat scratching the furniture? Our double-sided tape is the perfect solution to train them away from your sofa and chairs. These clear adhesive sheets act as an invisible shield, safeguarding your fabric furniture from claw damage. They blend seamlessly with most surfaces. It's ideal for cotton, linen, and polyester upholstery. Please note, it's not recommended for leather, velvet, or microfiber surfaces. Get comprehensive protection with 18 sheets in 3 convenient sizes, 8XL, 8 large, and 2 medium. Cover all your furniture needs. Applying the tape is a breeze with peel tabs, and removal is just as simple. It comes off cleanly without leaving any sticky residue behind. This training tape effectively deters cats from scratching furniture, encouraging them to use their scratching posts instead. It's a humane way to protect your home. What we like? This option offers the most comprehensive protection with 18 sheets in 3 different sizes, including extra large. If you have a large sofa, sectional, or multiple pieces of furniture you need to protect, this is the ideal choice for complete coverage. It's perfect for households with multiple cats or those who want to ensure every vulnerable spot is shielded. What people say. These mittens are soft and breathable, making them comfortable for my cat to wear. The adjustable straps ensure a secure fit, preventing the mittens from slipping off. The design allows my cat to move their paws freely while wearing the mittens. Number 4. Cat Scratch Furniture Protector Tape Sheets, 10-pack. Tired of your cat damaging your furniture? Our furniture protector tape is designed to gently deter them from scratching. These clear, double-sided adhesive sheets act as an invisible shield for your sofas and chairs. They effectively protect your fabric furniture from claw marks. This tape is best suited for cotton, linen, and polyester upholstery. Please note it is not recommended for leather, velvet, or microfiber surfaces. Get great value with 10 sheets in 2 convenient sizes, 5 extra large and 5 large. This allows you to protect various furniture pieces and shapes easily. Applying the tape is a breeze thanks to the peel tabs, and removal is just as simple. It comes off cleanly without leaving any sticky residue behind. More effective than single-sided options, this double-sided tape trains your cat to use their scratching posts instead. It's a simple yet effective training solution. What we like? With 10 sheets in 2 large sizes, this pack provides excellent coverage for most furniture needs. If you're looking for a good balance of quantity and coverage for your primary furniture pieces like sofas and chairs, this is a great option. It's suitable for those who want to protect key areas without an overwhelming number of sheets. What people say. The mittens are soft and comfortable for the cat. They effectively prevent the cat from scratching furniture. The adjustable straps ensure a secure fit. Number 3. Cat Scratch Furniture Protector Tape Sheets. Tired of your feline friends scratching up your beloved furniture? We have the perfect solution to keep your couches and sofas looking pristine. This innovative tape features a double-sided sticky surface that effectively discourages cats from scratching. It's designed to be more effective than single-sided options. Gently guide your cat towards their scratching posts. This tape helps train them to use appropriate surfaces, saving your furniture in the process. The clear design ensures it blends seamlessly with your furniture, offering protection without being an eyesore. It's a discreet way to maintain your home's aesthetic. This pack includes a variety of sizes, 7XL, 6 large, and 2 medium sheets. You'll have the right size for any piece of furniture that needs protecting. Please note that this product is not suitable for use on leather, velvet, or microfiber materials. Always test on an inconspicuous area first. What we like? This pack provides a generous 15 sheets in 3 sizes, offering a solid amount of protection. If you need a good quantity of tape to cover various furniture items and want the effective double-sided deterrent, this is a strong contender. It's a good all-around choice for general furniture protection needs. What people say. These mittens are designed to fit snugly over your cat's paws, preventing them from extending their claws. The soft, breathable material ensures your cat's comfort while wearing the mittens. Easy to put on and take off, the adjustable straps provide a secure fit without being too tight. Number 2. HandsOn Pet Grooming Gloves. Introducing the original patented pet grooming glove, designed for ultimate comfort and effectiveness. Its unique design makes grooming a soothing experience for your pet. Featuring gentle yet effective bristles, these gloves work on all hair types, from short to coarse fur. They provide a thorough grooming experience without causing discomfort. These gloves do more than just remove hair. The massaging nodules stimulate circulation and promote a healthy skin and coat. Keep your hands clean and protected during grooming. Built to last, these gloves are highly durable for heavy use. Cleaning is simple, just rinse them off or toss them in the washing machine. Your furry friends will love the one-on-one attention. They're perfect for bathing, de-shedding, and gentle massages, making grooming a special treat. Ranked number 1 and award-winning, these gloves are a trusted solution for pet owners. They are flexible enough for all your pet care needs, from dogs and cats to horses. What we like. This product is designed for grooming and de-shedding, not direct furniture protection. If you're looking for a way to bond with your pet, reduce shedding, and provide a calming massage, these gloves are perfect. They are ideal for pet owners who want to improve their pet's coat health and enjoy a more pleasant grooming experience. What people say. These mittens are soft and comfortable for the cat. The design allows for easy application and secure fit. They effectively prevent the cat from scratching furniture. Number 1. XL Anti-Cat Scratch Furniture Protector, 6-pack. Tired of your furry friends scratching up your couch? Our extra-large protectors are designed to keep your furniture safe from claws and paws. They are easy to apply and provide a strong barrier against scratching. With dimensions of 17 by 12 inches, these protectors offer ample coverage for most sofas. You can even cut them to size for a perfect fit on any section of your furniture. Applying these protectors is a breeze. Simply peel off the self-adhesive backing and stick them onto your furniture. For extra security, twist pins are included. These protectors are thick enough to prevent scratches yet flexible enough to conform to the shape of your couch. Their transparent design makes them virtually unnoticeable, unlike sticky tapes. Please note that these protectors are not recommended for use on faux or leather furniture. They are best suited for fabric upholstery. If you have any questions or need assistance, our customer support team is ready to help you find the perfect solution for your furniture protection needs. What we like. These extra-large sheets, combined with optional twist pins, offer a robust and secure way to protect your furniture. If you have particularly stubborn scratchers or want an extra layer of security beyond adhesive tape, this is the product for you. It's best for those who want a strong, visible deterrent that's easy to install and remove. What people say. The mittens are soft and comfortable for the cat. They effectively prevent scratching without causing distress to the cat. The adjustable straps ensure a secure fit on the cat's paws. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.